Welcome to APEGNB's User Navigation Guide series. In this video, we'll walk you through the Competency-Based Assessment platform, often referred to as CBA, including how to set up your account, start your assessment, complete your competencies, and submit your experience for review. Your competency example are submitted through the CBA portal, where each example must be validated by a professional engineer or geoscientist who has direct knowledge of the work example being used. This video is designed to help you better understand the platform, navigate the process with confidence, and avoid some common challenges along the way. Ready? Let's get started.
Before starting your assessment, take some time to carefully review the CBA guidelines. Reading the guidelines fully can help you better understand the process and reduce the chance of having competencies returned for revisions later. Once you reviewed the guidelines, go to competencyassessment.ca. From there, click Login, select APEGNB as your jurisdiction, and then choose Create an Account. You'll then verify your email address and complete your account setup using your APEGNB registration number, which can be found in your registration letter. Once your account has been created, please wait for APEGNB to complete your education record review and approve your access to the platform. Once your account is ready, you will receive a confirmation email letting you know that you can log in and begin using the CBA portal. After your account has been approved, return to competencyassessment.ca and log in using your email address and password. Once logged in, click Hello, followed by your name in the top menu, then select My Courses. Before starting your assessment, launch and complete all assigned courses. These courses are designed to help you better understand the CBA process and expectations. After completing the courses, select Resume Self-Assessment and then Resume Assessment to begin entering your employment history and competencies. When entering your work experience, make sure there are no gaps between positions in your employment history. For example, the end date of one role should connect with the start date of your next role. If there was a period where you were not working or where your work was not related to engineering or geoscience, select Other Non-Engineering, Non-Geoscience as the experience type and enter the appropriate details for that time period. When adding validators, complete all required fields marked with an asterisk. Any additional information that is not required can be completed later by your validator if needed. If your validator is located outside of Canada and is not registered as a professional engineer or a professional geoscientist in Canada, select Other and manually enter their information. When uploading documents, remember that a single document may support more than one competency. If that's the case, upload the document under the Other Documents section and clearly note which competencies the document relates to. You can also use this section to upload additional materials that support your experience, such as a thesis, reports, presentations, or other relevant work samples. Now it's time to begin your competency self-assessment. As you complete each competency, you'll be asked to enter details about the work example you are using. The start date should reflect when the work example or project began, and the end date should reflect when that work or project was completed. When completing your competencies, click the question mark icon beside each competency to review guidance and expectations. As you write your examples, make sure you follow the situation, action, outcome format. Situation: briefly describe the context or background of the work example. Action: explain the specific actions you took, and your individual contributions using I statements is strongly recommended. Outcome: describe the results, impact, or lessons learned from the work. When selecting your competency level, remember that while working under supervision, the highest recommended rating is typically level 3. Once all competencies have been completed and assigned to validators, click Submit Complete Self-Assessment to send your assessment to your validators for review.
That concludes this APEGNB User Navigation Guide for the Competency-Based Assessment platform. Taking the time to review your application, follow the guidelines, and provide clear examples can help make the assessment review process smoother and reduce delays or resubmissions. If you have questions or experience any issues while navigating the platform, please do not hesitate to contact us through the APEGNB website or reach out to the registration team directly. Thank you for watching, and best of luck as you continue your path toward professional registration in New Brunswick.